as a couple, the key to longer lasting relationship is try to set another goal in your relationship. If you're in it together, there can never be a time na parang wala kayong improvement. Kasi you're gonna have to do something para ma-reach nyo yung goal
Both of you. Regardless kung ano yan.
There are relationships na na-observe ko na talagang nasa dating stage for 10 years.
Yeah,
Alam mo yun, live-in for 10 years. Hindi pa sila nag-aanak or whatsoever. You always have to discuss with each other, anong plan natin? Ganito na lang ba tayo?
Halimbawa,
kaya lang naman nagkakaroon ng issue about improvement is para kasing wala na kayong plano. Kapag may plans kayo, may goals kayo, and you try to discover your purpose, mas magkakaroon kayo ng improvement. And at the same time, I don't think manghihinayang kayo kung if you continue to still try to discover things, still try to achieve goals while you're with each other. Don't get me wrong kasi may mga tao din talaga kasi na talaga ang resort nila sa buhay is umanap ng ibang relasyon kapag parang feeling nila kung ano man yung gusto nila, nagawa na nila with that person. Having to know a person din kasi minsan, parang nalilimitahan ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin dahil kilala mo na yung kapartner mo. But still, minsan kasi nag-hesitate lang tayo eh. Nire-reserve lang natin sa sarili natin yan eh. Why don't you try to discuss it with each other and be eager to know a lot more with your partner?
Para maiwasan yung ganong feeling na parang feeling nyo wala na kayong future improvements. Yeah.
Okay.